86. It's a nice straight tractor, guys. Straight off a local estate. 84-year-old man. He passed away. We're selling all his equipment. Straight 8-speed from the factory. Factory cab. Everything works like it should. Just a nice clean tractor. We'll take a walk around her. No smoke, you can sit and run. There's no smoke at all, no blow-by. Again, it's just a nice, clean, straight tractor. Dual remotes, 540 and 1000 RPM PTO. Everything kicks in, kicks out like it should. We broke the right rear window when we were hauling it. We will have that replaced. That was our fault. It broke when we were hauling it in. It must have came open, caught the wind. Just a straight tractor, guys. Factory straight 8-speed. If you're looking for a tractor to take home and just operate. Excellent rubber all the way around. The steering's tight. Again, really good rubber. The only thing we have found at all is on the shifting is when you go to low range, there's a little play in the shift, but that's just an adjustment. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. Fun tractor to drive. You don't even hear the rear end. Steering is just as free as can be. Good and tight. Again, you do not hear a thing when this thing's running. It is just a good old tractor, guys. So, if you're looking for 1086, I would look close. Tachometer works, shows 5,600 hours. The man baled a lot of hay. The interior is actually pretty solid. Good carpet. Doors are good.